of artificial intelligence, managing the entire training data lifecycle, particularly data annotation, is more crucial than ever. Today, I am excited to introduce DataStudio, an innovative data-centric AI platform developed by Indika. This platform has empowered AI teams globally, revolutionizing their data operations. Before diving into the live demo, let me highlight 4 key features of DataStudio. 1. Data type agnostic. Support for all data types from structured to unstructured, covering use cases like computer vision, speech, NLP, and Gen AI. 2. Programmatic data labeling. Accelerate your labeling and validation processes using pre-trained models, saving time and effort. 3. Human in the loop. Engage domain experts to enhance programmatically labeled datasets, leveraging active AI learning for continuous improvement. 4. Fine-tune foundation model. Jumpstart your AI journey by easily fine-tuning any foundation model for your specific use case. And here's the surprise. DataStudio is not just about data labeling. It also allows you to digitize and anonymize your data, addressing any privacy concerns. Now let's jump into a live demonstration. Visit our platform at datastudio.indikaai.com. Create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Since I already have an account, I'll just be logging in. Upon login, you'll find the dashboard where you can manage existing projects or create new ones. To create a project, click Create New Project. Name it, provide a description, and import your data set from local or cloud storage. I'll be naming this as Sample Project 1. Then you can configure your template. Choose a pre-configured template from over 50 options based on your project type, from computer vision to NLP, Gen AI, speech, documents, and structured data. For this demo, let's select an object detection template. So go to computer vision and select object detection with bounding boxes. Define your labels and customize the labeling interface to your liking. I'll be making my own label, cat. Then click add and it'll be saved and you can annotate. Next, save your project. After saving, you can click on settings, go to ML model and select ML model. Integrate the relevant AI model for labeling predictions. Annotators can review and correct predictions, achieving results 10 times faster than manual annotations. Then if you go back, once ready, easily export label data in various formats like CSV, COCO-JSON, XML, and more, either locally or to your preferred cloud storage. Here you can click Export and see the different export options. That concludes our demo. We've covered the platform's key features briefly. Stay tuned for detailed videos on each module in the coming days. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website. Thanks for watching and have a great day.